How are you? In previous lecture, we learned about 1.6 means 1.16, and today we are going to learn about exercise 1.17 onwards. Okay, so in 1.17 exercise, what we have to do? Electric flux 8 into 10 raised to 3 Newton meter square per coulomb. We have to find charge inside the box and conclude that is there is no net charge in the box. Okay, we have a box. Okay, and in the box, what say? Okay, the flux of this box 8 into 10 raised to 3, 8 into 10 raised to 3 Newton meter per coulomb, Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, so now charge. Okay, so if this box have some flux, that means there is some charge in the box according to Gauss law. So according to Gauss formula, phi equal to q by epsilon 0. So q will be phi 0. So phi is 8 into 10 raised to 3 into epsilon 0 is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. Okay, so our answer is 0.07 microcoulomb. Okay, this is our answer. So here actually 0.07 microcoulomb charge is placed in this box, which produce 8 into 10 raised to 3 Newton meter square per coulomb flux. And one thing another asked that can we conclude that there is no net charge in the box? No, because there may be charge, but there is no net charge is 0. Okay, now we will see exercise 1.18. In exercise 1.18, we have one square, actually 10 microcoulomb is placed exactly 5 centimeter ahead from the center of this square, and we have to find the flux square. Okay, now we can find the flux by charge. We can in closed body. Okay, square is not closed body, so we have here we have to consider one cube. Okay, one cube. So what happen when we so this 10 microcoulomb in the center of this cube. So now we can easily say that in the box there is 10 microcoulomb charge in the center. So it can have some flux. This closed body have. It can be find by equation flux equal to q by epsilon 0. Okay, this is actually Gauss formula, but we cannot apply this Gauss formula. Okay, so we consider here closed body. Now actually we have to find the flux only for this body, and flux is given by the whole cube. So this surface is the actually 1/6 part of this cube. So to find the flux through ABCD, we will divide this formula by 6. So q by 6 epsilon 0. This will give to us what? Flux from ABCD. So now actually charge is 10 microcoulomb. So 10 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 6 into 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. So this will give you the charge and that is 1.18 into 10 raised to 5. Again, why we consider here cube, then understand that is square and that is called, and we cannot apply the Gauss formula for open surface. We consider here a closed body having same dimension of this square, so we consider here a cube that is closed body. Now 10 microcoulomb charge will be in the center of this cube, so this will influx some flux. So what happen? Flux will be Q by epsilon 0 from Gauss law. Now we have to find only flux from this ABCD surface. So ABCD surface is what? It is actually a 6 part of cube. So what we can say here? We can see that actually Q by epsilon 0 is total flux. So Q by 6 epsilon 0 is 1 of ABCD. So after this we just put the values and calculate. So this will give you answer of flux from passing from ABCD surface. Okay. So in this lecture we are finishing here. In next lecture we will continue from exercise 1.19.